Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So, unknown to me, that car actually clipped it right about here, indented it, carried on down, made a scratch mark here, crushed it in a little bit here, made a bigger indentation in this area of it. I don't know if you could see it in the right angles or not. Oh, there you go. That area, clipped it along the edge, clipped it here, brushed up against this whole area here. Then it bent all that, so we just straightened that out a little bit and bent it back as much as we could without damaging it. But it ripped that whole wall loose. So when it did that, it also cracked all of that up there. And so, along with the inside stuff, which we got pictures and stuff to show you, it ripped out the Darko material out from underneath the wall. It bent this bracket or this molding here as well. So stay tuned for more, and we will keep you updated. Again, we're going to make a Band-Aid repair to it till we can get the materials and parts here so the customer can still go out and use the coach. Thanks so much for watching. Hey, Terry. Tell everybody YouTube what's up.
Hey, what's up?